Hola chicos y chicas, estamos en un nuevo video del canal de A Plague Tale Innocence. Vamos a continuar con el capítulo anterior. Así que... bueno. Yo terminé este juego una vez, bueno. ¿Cuánto les faltará? El enano.
Here. Have to warn you, smells a bit burnt.
Who's he?
Roderick. But shh.
The Sanguinis Itinera. What is this book about?
It's the story of a little boy who's going to get a lot better now.
Right, I'm starving. Anyone else?
Me?
Come and eat then. I think we deserve it. You too. Coming.
¿Qué hay? ¿Vende? ¿Ahí dice cómo hacer droga o qué chucha? Tres semanas después, weón. Diciembre de 1348.
No, no, no! Bloody hell! That's no good.
¿Qué pasa,
Hey.
weón?
Are you alright?
It's nothing. Tell me, this door. Have you ever opened it before?
It's stuck. It's the only place in the chateau we haven't been yet.
Don't you want to see what's behind it?
Well, Hugo is asleep. Let's go take a look.
This, at least, I know how to do.
¿Qué acá?
There you go.
Well, that was efficient.
And almost painless. Come on, let's go.
Casi indoloro, dice.
Can you feel that?
No, what?
When you enter a place that has been abandoned for a very long time, there's something in the air.
Yes, dust.
No, the stones. It's like interrupting a conversation.
Yo digo que tienes
This is the
esquizofrenia
first time
nomás.
I felt it here.
Eso es lo que pasó.
That looks dangerous. Let's avoid it for now. Another door. Shall we continue?
Of
Dale.
course.
Let's see where this leads us. Oh, the courtyard.
It's a shortcut.
¿Será que puedo? No, aún no puedo mejorar mi pincho. Qué bonito.
Hey, I almost forgot. I found something while I was doing some clearing earlier. Come take a look.
Another story about stones?
Actually, you're not far off.
Bueno, vamos con Roderick. Y los otros dos, weón, o sea, la ladrona se fue a la mierda nomás.
A fresco. It's strangely familiar.
It includes the symbols of the pillars. This castle has things to tell us, huh?
And what is it telling us then?
Even I don't understand everything. I just think we'll be fine here.
Amicia! Come quickly! It's Hugo!
¿Qué pasa?
I'm coming!
Need me?
I'll call you. Come on! Come on!
Ya voy, conchudo. ¿Qué pasa?
Here, Lucas! Quickly! Hugo, please.
¿Qué le pasa?
It's getting worse and worse.
The macula is progressing too fast.
I realize that, Amicia. I'm doing my best. I mean, I'm trying to do what the book says, but it's going to take too long. I need a proper laboratory.
Like Laurentius had?
No, one with better equipment.
Well, perhaps my mother at my home.
She must have had some equipment there. You're right. It's worth a try.
Nos van a matar, weón.
Alicia, Lucas.
¿Ahora qué? ¿Más malas noticias? O aunque sea noticias decentes.
I believe your twins are back.
Melly! You
Aye.
found him!
More dead than alive. But yes,
Amicia, we came because, well,
yes.
Arthur, you tell her.
After our little adventure with your heretic burning friends, I ended up in an Inquisition cell. One day I saw the guards accompany a prisoner who looked the worse for wear. Those bastards wanted her to tell them where her son was, so they threatened her. And I heard her name. Beatrice Starrow.
Mother is alive? She's alive? You managed to get Arthur out? It wasn't simple. Believe me. So you could...
Forget it. I was nothing. She's too important to the Grand Inquisitor. He, questions her a lot.
They torture her? Hugo
Chucha.
mustn't know anything of this.
Even that she's alive? It might help him.
And what will we say when he wants to see her? Tell him nothing, all right?
¿Qué pasa?
Hugo! Hugo!
The next threshold. It's coming.
We have to go at once. To my home. Now. You go. We'll stay here with him. It will be all right, my little brother. I
Chucha.
swear. This time we will heal you.
All right. I'll get the Sanguinis Itinera and some potions, and then we'll leave.
Todo se está yendo al carajo. Y vamos 5 minutos. Qué concha tu madre. Todo lo que queda. Qué bonito. Otra puta pantalla de carga. Qué bien. Y ahora sí, y ahora sí, y ahora sí. ¿Y el otro? No, me vendría mejor su ayuda que este nano.
We're here.
Amicia, you going to be all right?
Yes. It's just strange to be back. Let's go. I never thought I'd come back here. Not so soon.
We find the potions and we leave. You might even get home before sunrise.
Fine by me.
We can't cross there.
That bridge was at least a century old. Everything looks completely destroyed.
It's
Pero
the
¿cómo
end of the
pasamos?
old world.
If that's true, how come you're so calm?
Ahora pues weón. ¿Vamos a hablar o qué hacemos? ¿Damos la vuelta nomás?
Look, the standard of the Inquisition.
Are they still there?
Lo que
Let's
faltaba.
be careful.
Bueno, a rodear e intentar matar
Don't
todo lo
fall.
que encontremos.
What the hell is that? Look out, Lucas.
What's the matter with them?
I don't know, but
¿Qué
I
están
don't
haciendo?
like it. Let's get out of here.
¿Están haciendo un tornado de ratas
Pay
o qué?
attention to us.
What the fuck? ¿Están haciendo un tornado de ratas o qué?
Lucas, we'll deal with that later. Come on.
Concha.
Looks like they don't want us to pass.
Ah, there are so many of them. When Hugo and I ran away, I remember something attacked the guards. I think it's thanks to the rats that we were able to escape that day.
I see. This must be one of the first places they came from. But it doesn't explain their behavior.
Magia. Eso, por eso se comportan así, por magia. Magia Pokémon.
They're not welcome here. I'll show them. This is my home. Do you hear me? My home.
Rápido. Que nos atrapan las ratitas. Más ratas, weón.
Mongol rats.
The domain is straight ahead.
A ver. Hay chucha de más ratas, la puta madre. ¿Habrá algo allá adentro?
A door.
Cerrado.
Closed. There's a chain on the other side. Wait, the lantern. They must have used it to get their troops through.
Good idea. I'll have a clear shot.
You can go back down. Tell me when you're ready.
Ah, ya, o sea que él se va a encargar. Ay, chucha.
I'm there. Here we go. You can move.
Hasta para hacerlo bien, huevón. Que si no me muero.
You alright? Think I'd make it here without you.
Allá hay una. Me la juego, sí, me la juego, me la juego, me la juego.
Their system works really well. I'm ready. Don't forget me. Thank you.
Ven, weón. Pero ven.
Lucas, we're not alone. Oh.
Ahí.
A guard. He's still alive.
¿Está bien?
Someone, help me. The rats.
You, tell me, how many of you are there?
Oh, it hurts. I don't want to die. Not like this.
Like this? You executed my family. You deserve a painful death.
Please, have mercy.
Don't you ever use that word. I'm not going to get anything useful out of him.
¿La puedo ayudar? No, ¿verdad? Ay, chucha. Que si voy por las ratas. Allá. Allá hay algo que puedo prender fuego, creo. Ahí. Ahora. ¿Por dónde voy? Tengo un pequeño problemita. ¿Para qué me va a hacer matarlo? Ah, ya sé, para qué. Para quitar las ratas de ahí, supongo yo. Vamos a hacer esto. What? ¿Qué puedo tirar esto?
Here you go. He's all yours. He got what he deserved.
Ay, concha.
Hey, are you still there? Hey, answer me. Bastards. What have you done?
Justice for my family.
You paid.
I've already paid because of you. But I refuse to lose anyone else. You hear me?
A ver. Tengo varios problemas. Y no sé cómo hacerle. ¿Puedo de una forma mover esta huevada? Ahí está la salida. Pero el problema, no tengo cómo llegar para allá. Intento... ¿Dónde está Luminous? No valió nada la pena. Mátame, mátame, mátame. Mátame para no perder materiales. Desde acá.
Lucas, we're not alone. Oh. Here you go. He's all yours. He got what he deserved.
Alicia.
There's another one.
Bastards. What have you done?
Justice for my family.
You'll this.
I've already paid because of you. But I refuse to lose anyone else. You hear me?
Ah, ya sé cómo. A ver. ¿Dónde está lo de apagar? El extinguir.
It wasn't dangerous.
It's safer this way.
No, es más porque nos permite pasar más que nada. Porque si no, no hay ninguna otra forma de pasar, huevón. Si no lo dejaba vivo. Pero por ahora no hay otra opción. Bolsa de munición. Más municiones. Pero quiero el bolsillo, weón. Quiero bolsillo. Pero no me dan más materiales. Necesito tela. Bueno, vámonos a jugar. Antes de que las ratas ya tengan más hambre.
Lucas, behind this door.
¡Ay,
I
mierda!
understand. I'm with you.
Let's go.
Oh, my God. Is this real?
Sí,
My
huevón.
home.
Is that a body over there?
No. No, please.
Amicia, we can stop. Find another way.
No. I have to see.
Concha. ¿Qué pasó acá, huevón?
Is he your father?
F.
What are they doing?
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh no. What the hell is that? Lucas!
I have no idea.
Push them back! The ignifer! Who right?
Esto está Ignifer,
There are more of them! Lucas, what do we do? We're trapped! Keep firing!
¿Te crees que tengo tanta huevada?
We have to find shelter! Where do you suggest we go? They're everywhere!
También me dan poca munición y poco tiempo para cargar la puta munición.
Oh no! What the hell is that? Lucas! I have no idea. Push them back! The ignifer! Who right? Ah! There are more of them! Lucas, what do we do? We're trapped! Keep firing! We have to find shelter! Where do you suggest we go? They're everywhere! You prefer to stay here? I won't last long like that! Enough! Stop!
Hay otra para allá.
Is it over?
I think so. You saved our lives.
We'll celebrate later. We need to get to the chamber. It's that window up there.
You should take the torch.
¿Por qué yo, huevón? Bueno, dame.
Don't worry. I'll lead the way.
Thank you.
Tenemos que llegar para allá.
Father! They took his body. They took it from me. I should have buried him. I should have.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Amicia.
Please let him rest in peace.
F, bueno.
Amicia, that body with no armor.
It's one of our servants, but his body.
Yes, the guards were eaten alive. He wasn't.
Qué raro.
Why? There must be a reason.
If only I knew. The Great Break. Its aftershocks continue to ripple through time.
What the fuck? ¿No será que tiene que haber algo que ver con Hugo? Y es por eso que lo quieren. O sea, tal vez sea por todos los que murieron. O todos los que se lo devoran son solamente a los malos o algo.
Yes, they're avoiding them.
What on earth is going on here?
Yo que sé, huevona. Yo solamente estoy lanzando teorías a los pendejos.
Here we are. It's up there. Climb up. I'll help you.
All right.
Whoa. Look out.
They're all converging here.
No nos atacan,
They're
weón.
going towards his room. The potions for Hugo must be in there. Lucas, those pots?
Simple infusions. Not strong enough.
There must be others.
The fuck?
So, this is it.
Yes.
Esta es la habitación. What the...
There are other pots.
Everything's like it was before.
No, that's not it. Neither's this. No,
Lucas.
or this.
Why hasn't his room been touched?
No, it's not here.
Still no luck.
No, these are normal standard potions. Your mother must have been working on a more complex elixir. There has to be something else. Another place, another room.
Not that I
You
know
can't
of.
just make an opus magnum like that. She must have a laboratory somewhere.
I don't know. I don't see where.
Laurentius, he built his laboratory away from prying eyes. So your mother must have also.
She told me nothing. I never
But
saw
that's
her.
it. Isn't there a place where she didn't want you to go? I don't know. Some
Well-
place she protected.
The old Roman ruins. She didn't want me to go there.
The Roman ruins. Yes, definitely an idea from an alchemist. Exactly where are they?
The garden. Let's go.
La concha de su madre.
Oh, no, not that way.
Malditas ratas asquerosas. Cositas. A ver por dónde vamos.
Have they gone?
No, they're regrouping.
You mean?
Lucas, you can't stay here.
Más de...
To the right. Come on. Yes, I'm coming.
¿Para dónde voy? Para acá.
There are more. I'll light the room. You deal with the rest. I've opened the way, Amicia. We need to go.
Ya voy, huevón. ¿Qué es que intento, huevón?
That was close.
Get a move on. They might come back.
I'm scared out of my skin, Amicia.
I'm here with you, but we have to keep moving.
Mejor quítate el miedo, si no cagamos.
Good Lord, it's even worse than I thought. Everything is dead.
Where are the baths?
Over there, at the other end.
We have to get through that. But how?
I know. We'll get there.
Estamos reverendamente jodidos.
Flower. Intact.
A cinquefoil, I think.
Hugo wouldn't have wanted us to leave it here. Off we go. Get ready to run.
Ready.
Run!
Tira rápido.
Come on, go!
Lo mataron. Pero te dije que corras, Lucas. Maldito.
Come on, go! Come on! Don't miss! Thanks for the help!
Me ayudaría más que tiraras huevadas tú también, huevón. Que tú también las sabes hacer. Estás hijo de puta.
It's alright.
I don't believe it. Look at them. Like a river. A river of rats.
It's the only way to get to the baths.
Wait, the cart. We can relight the fire and push it in.
No, I'll light it and you push. So what happened earlier? You think they're just going to let us pass like that? Come on, Lucas, let's go.
We'll be
Quiero ver qué pasa si tiro esta wea.
Good.
No sirve de
Come
mucho.
on, make an effort.
An effort. Don't forget I spent my life in a cellar.
Sí, sí, sí que es un puto
Do you feel it?
hikikomori.
Yes, they're coming.
Don't let them get near.
No
Listen,
funcionó.
take my sling.
They'll be moving.
I'll handle it.
Dale rápido, Luca.
I don't want to die. Stop pushing it, God.
No quieras morir, empuja más rápido.
Nobody dies before we reach those bars.
It's as if it was decided that ever since we met, our lives have been governed by chaos.
But I'm the one with the sling, so calm down and push.
I'm doing just that.
Entonces hazle, cállate.
They're coming back. Quickly.
That's enough. You will not stop us. What are
Dale.
you doing?
My legs. They hurt.
We're getting close. Keep going.
I'm doing everything I can.
No voy a crear
The
un...
light over there. The box. We're nearly there, Lucas.
I think Amicia. I think that
What, Lucas?
all these attacks.
Now's not a good time.
It's because we're
On the right track, yes. But we still need to survive until the end.
Más de esta huevada. ¿No hay más? Ya no hay más. Vamos, loco, vámonos a la mierda.
We made it, Lucas. We made it. Thank you. Thank you, Lucas. You see? You're pretty tough.
yes, but I don't think I'll ever walk again.
Oh, come on. I don't know what my mother hid under there, but you don't want to miss it, do you?
Oh no.
¿Por qué hay sangre en el...?
Let's go.
¿Y si lo apago?
Lucas, this is it. This is where I saw my mother die.
But Arthur said she is still alive, didn't he?
Yes. But this is poor Lambert. He must have taken the hit instead of her.
Pobrecito.
She is still alive, but they...
I know. Think of your brother. We have to carry on.
¿Hay algo por acá? No. Y me cae algo útil por acá.
These stairs. It takes me back to my childhood.
Well, that's good. Because we're going to need your memories from back then.
My mother never wanted me to come down here. She said it was dangerous.
Dangerous for her, I bet. You never found anything.
No, and I was really good at searching.
There are two of us this time. And you're not the child anymore. We'll find it.
Tiene una antorcha por acá. No hay mucho por acá. Solamente algo por interrogar acá.
Lucas, look, it looks like the bite.
A Roman fresco. It looks like
Se nota la cosa. Se nota la puerta secreta.
a real massacre.
Worse than now?
Hard to tell. It was back in the 6th century.
Lucas, these baths were built by a Roman governor in the 6th century.
This fresco isn't here by chance. And neither are we.
¿Puedo abrirla? Porque se nota que hay una puerta. Bueno.
Help me push.
Yes, of course.
Verga. Entonces, ¿cómo quieren que la mueva, pues, weón?
My mother never wanted me to come down here.
Sí,
She
sí,
said
sí.
it was dangerous.
Dangerous for her, I bet.
Come on, help me.
Very well.
Atrás. No, no se puede tirar para atrás. O sea, no hay nada que pueda quemar como para... No. No parece. O sea, lo que tengo que hacer es ir...
That's Amicia. If you block them on the other side of the light, we'll be free to continue.
Mira. O sea, lo tengo que apagar. Ahora. Tengo que hacer es atraerlo para acá. Ahora, prendo esto por si la mosca.
Can you help me push it?
Rápido. Mira, entonces, ¿qué quieres que hagamos, huevón? A ver.
My mother never wanted me to come down here. She said it was dangerous.
Dangerous for her. You never found anything?
No, and I was really good at searching.
There are two of us this time, and you're not a child anymore. We'll find it.
Ahora prendo esto. Y ahora sí.
Let's push this.
Right now.
Listo. No van para allá. Mueran perras.
So this is the Sudatorium. The Romans came here to sweat.
With the steam, yes. It was... Oh, look! The sculptures!
Casi mentiras, hijo de puta.
Putrefaction, purification, amalgamation, and sublimation. The symbol in the basin represents putrefaction as well.
These symbols used to fascinate me. There are more in the other two basins.
3 symbols, 4 sculptures. There's a fire under that one.
So we can probably light the others too.
There must be a way to get to them.
¿Tengo que hacer qué?
The snake. It gave me a few nightmares, that one. The lion. Oh, Leon, my darling dog. Lucas, another fresco. A pregnant woman.
But that's not all. Look, next to her.
It's some sort of alembic, right? She's an alchemist?
Exactly. Alchemy has
A la
often been
mierda.
compared to impregnation, and the crucible or kiln to the uterus.
Or maybe she's just a pregnant alchemist.
Not just. This temple is your mother's. And it's not just a coincidence that this is a woman. It's an important place.
You're probably right. The swan, imposing and graceful. The toad, as ugly as ever.
There, near the symbol. The slabs have caved in. I think you can get past.
I'll go down. Stay here.
All right.
¿Qué quieres que haga? Ah, por acá.
Great! Hey, what does it look like down there? A nest. They're all around me, and I can't see a thing. Right, let's go.
I'll try to guide you.
Ay,
And
concha.
how do you intend to do that?
The light. I'll wait close to the basin. Good luck.
No hay nada por acá. Rápido. Agarra otro palo. Dale al fueguito y vamos a buscar. Hay que ir rápido porque si no me quedo sin fueguito y me jodo.
I can't see you anymore. Come back.
All right.
A ver, dámelo. Dame el fueguito. ¿Para este lado o para el otro? Para este lado.
You're not far from a symbol.
All right. I'll carry on.
Dale, quema.
Can you see anything?
The symbol has appeared. It's proclamation. There's still one more symbol to light up.
Me cago en tu puta madre.
You're going too far. Careful.
Gracias.
Coming back.
Gracias por decirme, huevón. Si no me quedo sin fuego y me muero.
You're getting near the other symbol. Keep going.
Going as fast as I can.
Purification. All waiting the lift. You can come back now.
I have to get out of here.
You're nearly there now.
Thank you, Lucas. Keep talking to me.
I don't know what to say. I never thought we would make it this far. But I find myself here. Laurentius told me about the world we book.
But reality is something else entirely, huh?
What's the worst of it? None of this seems to be real at all.
Patas putas. Ya, ahora. Tengo que volver. Mierda. Es por el otro lado entonces. Verga. Le di clic por accidente, huevón. No puedo correr, weón.
No, nothing over there.
Damn it.
Tengo que tener cuidado de darle clic, porque si no suelta el palo. Listo. Subamos nomás.
Decomposition, purification, and sublimation. Toad, swan, and serpents. So,
So our friend the lion is hiding a secret.
¿Y qué se prendió? ¿Qué chucha? Que no veo que se haya prendido nada.
In its mouth, perhaps. Help us, Mother.
go on. You discovered her secret, Amicia. You've earned this.
Y si hay una rata ahí metida. No veo ni
It's
pinche.
pitch black in here. It seems huge.
Save your ammo. I'll take care of it.
Ah, ya.
So, what do you see?
Complementary products, stabilizers, reagents, noble materials, vastly superior to what we saw in the bedroom. This is it, Amicia.
Good. Good.
Amicia, these notes are handwritten by your mother. Tried a new transformation, but the elixir is incomplete. The torch of the carrier disappears, leaving my son in the darkness of the macula. She was on the right track, Amicia. What we're looking for is definitely here somewhere.
But where? What does it look like?
Another fresco.
A child in the arms of its mother. But these marks on its torso, Lucas.
The prima macula.
But this fresco is at least 8 centuries old.
And yet this has happened before.
A la mierda.
Many times.
Who knows? Sanguinis itinera. The voyages of the blood. The macula travels through history. It's already changed the world and will do so again. This box has a phoenix on it. The symbol of the great alchemical work.
¿Cómo se abre?
Amicia, I think we found it. Open it.
All right.
A ver si se abre.
Lucas, look.
Advanced crystallization. Blue-green edging. Substance clear.
¿Qué?
What? Lucas,
Amber fragrance. Amazing.
spit it out. What on earth is
The
it?
cure for Hugo. She was making progress, but she didn't have time to finish it.
You mean the same cure that you...
Yes, without the book. It's incredible she was able to get this so far.
So perhaps we can use it ourselves.
With the book and my preparation, I think I may be able to finish it.
You seem off to a good start, Magister.
Ya, ¿qué hacemos? ¿En qué ayudo? Aparte de estar como imbécil acá.
She tell me. I would have understood. I would have...
Ow! I would have done the same thing, Amicia. She was an alchemist, and, you know, her mother protects her children, doesn't she?
Ya. Volvamos. Vienen las ratitas.
No, not now. How are we going to get out of here?
Forget it. Just finish the cure. I'll hold them back. I don't believe it. Why now? Lucas, we have to get a move on.
I'm reading. Mother stopped the sun door. She found the torch, but she didn't know how to light it.
It doesn't make sense.
They're symbols. She was looking for the missing element, but the book says you must empty the vessel for the spirit to fill it. Your mother was mistaken. You must not add, but subtract. Find me some macerate while I prepare the mix. There has to be some around here.
Macerate? What's that? Where will I find it?
In the pharmacopoeia, the alcove with the curtain.
On my
La
way.
cobre cortina. ¿De dónde?
Quieten down. Laurentius used to say, calm the beating of your heart, which is the wish of the heart, the hands express. So calm yourself.
Como que no es muy buen momento para calmarse, ¿no, hijo de puta? ¿Qué hago, weón? Acá dice, ¿no?
The curtain. It's there.
Do you have the macerate?
I can't get there. There are too many rats around.
Llego.
There are too many. There are too many pots, Lucas. I don't know which one's a which.
Find the one that really stinks.
Everything stinks. I'm not sure my nose will be able to tell the difference.
¿Es ahí o dónde chuché?
That doesn't smell good. But it doesn't smell that bad either. Pepper? Mint? No, there must be worse than that. What's that?
Puta.
No. I don't believe it. Why now? Lucas, we have to get a move on.
I'm reading.
Let's see.
Your mother stopped the sun door. She found the torch.
Esta mamada se
but didn't know
apagó,
how to
la
light it.
concha de
It
tu
doesn't
madre.
make sense.
They're symbols. She was looking for the missing element, but the book says you must empty the vessel for the spirit to fill it. Your mother was mistaken. You must not add, but subtract. Find me some macerate while I prepare the mix. There has to be some around here.
Macerate? What's that? Where will I find it?
In the pharmacopoeia.
One thing done.
The alcove with the curtain.
The curtain. It's there. There are too many. There are too many pots, Lucas. I don't know which one's a which.
Find the one that really stinks.
Everything stinks. I'm not sure. What's that? No idea. It doesn't smell of anything. Whoa. Oh, Lord. Oh, that is absolutely... Whoa. Lucas, I found it.
Perfect. Bring it to me.
They're coming. That noise. I don't like that noise.
La concha de su madre. Ay, mierda.
We're nearly there. I'm coming.
There. Right. Let's awaken this phoenix. Gently. Stop shaking. No time to waste any.
They're coming back!
Más.
Slight alteration, you.
Me vendría bien un poco de ayuda, ¿no, hijo de
You said
puta?
you had to filter something out. So why are you still adding things?
You have to add in order to subtract. The brazier, Amicia! You have to clear a way to the stills for me.
All right then, let's get to those stills.
Ah, solamente el pollo hasta ahí. Tengo que darle una vuelta entera.
Amicia, they're going to extinguish the brazier!
Oh no, they don't.
Coño. Es que me estaba apuntando hacia otro lado. La huevada de auto apuntado de este juego.
I don't believe it. Why now? Lucas, we have to get a move on.
I'm reading. Your mother stopped at the sun door. She found the torch, but she didn't know how to light it.
It doesn't make sense.
They're symbols. She was looking for the missing element, but the book says you must empty the vessel for the spirit to fill it. Your mother was mistaken. We must not add, but subtract.
One thing done.
Find me some macerate while I prepare the mix. There has to be some around here.
Macerate? What's that? Where will I find it?
In the pharmacopoeia. The alcove with the curtain.
On my way.
Quieten down. Laurentius used to say, calm the beating of your heart, for it is the wish of that. The curtain, it's there.
Maldita sea.
There are too many pots, Lucas. I don't know which ones are which.
Dale.
Find the one that really stinks.
Everything stinks. I'm not sure my nose will pour. Oh Lord. That is absolutely... Lucas, I found it.
Perfect. Bring it to me.
They're coming back. They're regrouping. That noise. I don't like that noise.
Yeah. Keep going. We're nearly there.
I'm coming.
Right. Let's awaken this phoenix. Gently. Stop shaking. No time to waste any.
They're coming back.
Malditas ratas.
Slight alteration, you. Good, but not enough.
You said you had to filter something out. So why are you still adding things?
You have to add in order to subtract. The brazier, Amicia! You have to clear a way to the stills for me.
All right then, let's get to those stills.
Amicia,
Che tu madre.
extinguish the brazier!
Oh no, they don't.
¿Más ratas? No, ya no hay. Dale. Ay, verga. Lo tengo que llevar hasta acá, ¿no?
They know what's going on, but they won't change the course of history! Time to get back to work.
Lucas, don't do anything stupid.
I know what I'm doing. I think so. Please, at any rate, there's no going back.
Just be careful.
Lucas, watch out!
Más ratas, me cago en tu puta madre. ¿Te puedes apurar?
Truth will flow out of the mouth. Come on. Give me your purest alcohol. Voila! The door of the sun. The flame of the carrier. Demetia, take me back.
Right away.
Muévete. Muévete, puto. ¡Ay, concha!
No! I need to light the flame.
I don't know what you're doing, but do it. I'll hold them off.
Bring it to life.
Lucas, I don't know if I can hold them. I'm nearly there. Lucas, I need you to hurry. Lucas, I have nothing left. Lucas! What? happening?
What the fuck?
I've done it, and it looks like they know.
Well, let's not hang about.
Then please, after you.
A la mierda. Le tienen miedo a las ratitas de estas. A la huevada esa.
Lucas, you did it.
We did it.
Laurentius would be proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. At least we know for certain now. If the elixir is linked to the rats, that means there's a link to the carrier.
Yes, but first things first. We have to save Hugo.
A huevo. Media hora de este sonido, qué chucha. Bueno, ya. Estamos sin la wea. Ay.
It's them!
Son una
Our
soltera.
trainee alchemist has worked wonders. We have the elixir.
I always knew you were a good one.
Thanks.
Come on, let's go see Hugo.
No quiero que sea el final. Algo malo va a pasar. Lo sé.
Hugo, you're not sleeping? Hey, look! We did it! The elixir! Lucas made it. Hugo,
It might be a little bitter.
never mind. Drink it in one gulp. Very good.
So, am I cured now?
Well,
In any case, you'll soon be a lot better.
Amicia? Will we never see Mummy again?
oh, Hugo, I told you, she won't be coming back. No.
And it doesn't hurt where she is?
No, of course not. Let's all go to bed now, eh? And tomorrow, when you wake up, you'll feel a lot better, you'll see.
El chamaco no está pendejo. Sabe que los escuchó, weón. Penitencia. Bueno, creo que aquí lo vamos a ir dejando. Dale like, comentar, compartir, agradece. Un besazo y hasta el próximo video. Chao, chao. Antes que termine el video, ¿alguien se va a ir sin suscribirse, darle like, comentar o compartir?
¡Yo sí!
¿Alguien más? ¿Hay otro? Díganme.